Hey! Are we feeling independent? Are we feeling independent? I think we are. Yes, we are. Here we are. Happy 4th of July. Yay! All right. Yes, so happy Independence Weekend. We are from God Sent Me Tarot. I'm Tess, Grogu, hanging out, going to do a tarot reading, a firework tarot reading for you, Libra. We're starting out with the King of Wands. That's right, King of Wands. Wow, what a great way to start the tarots out. This is the fireworks. Yeah, we're doing one card of every tarot card, oracle card, and the runes. He loves the runes. Yeah, so I thank you for being here. We're here in the home of the free, land of the free, home of the brave. And very, very excited because we feel so fortunate to be here in the United States of America. And nothing's perfect, but I think we're as perfect as it can be. And so I want to say it's an honor to be an American, and also a veteran. So certainly happy that I was able to be a part of the armed forces. And, well, you know. Well, we waited for the Mandalorian, but still waiting. That's cool. That's cool. I love having you around. I love having Grogu around. Yes. All right, so here we go. We're gonna see what happens on your fireworks, Libra. Here come the fireworks. Yes. I thank you all for being here, hanging out. There we go. Whoa. Wow. Ace. Ecstasy. That's hilarious. Mythical Goddess Tarot. Ecstasy. And wait till you see what I'm talking about. Oh, that's so hilarious. Ecstasy. Ace of the Seas, which is very much like Ace of Cups. Emotions. And you see how it says ecstasy. All right, Libra. That's pretty cool. So far, so good. Now we're going to do Moonology Oracle. And we've been having lots of moons, eclipse, all of that. Yeah. Full moon Sagittarius. I think we've got the got another one coming up, and we have had our share of moons this year. I mean, I've never heard of so many moons. Here we go. All right. Well, the moon is hiding. Oh, there we go. All right. All righty. Time to take action. It's time to take action. No wonder it took a while here. King of Wands, Ecstasy, and time to take action. And that is the new moon in Aries. Time to take action. Alrighty. We have got the angels and ancestors coming through on Independence Weekend. It's time for all of us to be independent. Our souls are independent of each other, but we're all one together. Yes. That's how it works. Snake, shed old skin. Shed your old skin. Yep, make some waves. Yep. When you're able to do that, then you can renew yourself. Libra, you can renew yourself by shedding your old skin. And And take some action there. Oh, yeah. Ooh, okay. No need to worry. Angel answer says, ooh, you pulled it right out. No need to worry. No need to worry, Libra. Feel free. Feel free. All right. Now we're going to go to the Starseed Oracle. And we're going to get another message for our Libras on independence, on freedom, and the fireworks in your life, and the excitement in your life. Gotta get excitement in our lives. You know, what is life worth living if you don't have some sort of excitement? Deep cellular healing. Here we are. Arcturus energy, physical and emotional healing. Wow. Shedding your old skin. Oh yeah. Shed that old skin. Yes. Shed that old skin. Let's do the runes. Here we go. We gotta do the runes. You ready? All right. Okay. Can you grab it? All right. Grogu's grabbing it. Ooh. Oh my. Now these need self-reliance, endurance, and survival. Well, no wonder, okay? No wonder. That is amazing. All right. So here we go. We're going to start out. King of Wands. King of Wands. Libra. Yes. Reliable, dependable. King of Wands. Your path is straight. It's no, you gotta go. People look up to you. Then you've got the ecstasy, Ace of Seas, and the mythical goddess. Ace of Cups. Your cup is running over. An ecstasy. Okay? Beautiful. All right, it's your time to take action. New moon in Aries. Time to take action. It says move on. Keep on, Libra. Keep moving on. Don't stop. Don't stop. Okay? And shed your old skin. Here we go. Ancestors and angels. Shed your old skin. You got to. We all have to. We have to do it. We have to do it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. And then it's new again. You have no need to worry. Angel answers if you were thinking about that. No need to worry. Don't worry, Libra. Okay? I know. And then you're going to have deep cellular healing. Physical and emotional healing. And they're shedding the skin. Ecstasy. Feeling like yourself again. Taking the action and meditating, doing the yoga, stretching out, going out to nature, just feeling good. Yeah. Hugging some trees. No need to worry. And guess what? The need, your self-reliance, your endurance, and survival. It's coming to a close of being that perfect soul that you are craving to be. It is looking good for you. All right, Libra. Keep on keeping on there, Libra. Happy Independence Weekend. Yes, be free. Be free, Libra. Be free. All right, till we see you again. This is Tess. This is Grogu. And we're here from God Sent Me Tarot. He says, hey, how you doing? God says, what's up? He wants you to know he's here and he's waiting for you to say hey back. All right, well, we'll see you soon. And we appreciate you being here.